I want to show you how to round numbers in Excel. Let's go, guys.
Excel offers multiple functions when it comes to calculations over any kind. The same goes for rounding numbers. We can round up, round down, or simply round numbers according to the general mathematical rule. Each function will help you round numbers in a different way, and each is going to be represented in a separate tutorial. You'll find the links to these videos in the description below. In this tutorial, we're going to have a closer look at the function roundup. Let's say we want to round up the value in the column B to various numbers of decimal places, or to make it a whole number. Click into the cell C3.
Enter the equal sign and type in the function roundup. Then carry on with an opening bracket, and here we'll need to include two things. The first one will be the cell which contains the number we want to round up, so click on B3. Then enter a comma, and you can type in the second value, the number which identifies how many decimal places there should be in the result. So if you want to round up to 1 decimal place, type 1. Close the parentheses and hit Enter in C3. Excel will show the result, the number from B3 rounded up to 1 decimal place. If you want to round up to 2 decimal places, simply use 2 in the function, and the resulting number will be rounded up to 2 decimal places. By using positive numbers like 1, 2, 3, and so on, you can round up to any number of decimal places. But let's move on now to round the value up to make it a whole number. Enter a 0 in the function, and Excel will do just what you want. It will round the original value up, making it a whole number, like this. And we're not finished yet. To round a number up to tens or hundreds, which means moving to the left from the decimal point, you need to use negative numbers in the formula. So make sure you include the minus sign with the number in.
Parentheses. Here's a couple of examples. To round the number up to the nearest 10, enter -1 into the formula, and here comes the result. If you want to round the number up to the nearest 100, type in -2, and Excel will calculate it for you immediately. And that's how it works. You can use this function to round up any number, just as you need. If you'd like to know more about similar functions, like the function round or round down, you can learn how to use them effectively by watching the rest of the video tutorials.